Officers were called to a bar on the evening of March 2, 2020, about a woman named Kelsey Venetia. She had allegedly struck another woman in the face. The other woman hit back and put poor Karen Kelsey in tears.
I'm listening to you. Please listen to me.
You know her. I know her, but who's she flirting with?
John?
Casey Anderson.
Where's she at?
She's inside.
Mark, I'm gonna go talk to her, okay? Just talk to me. Okay. Stay over here. What's going on?
I actually don't know, but I got hit in the face, so I swung back.
Kelsey hit you in the face?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay, I'm gonna get a picture of your face, okay? Because we're gonna need it, all right? Okay, so what happened? How did this start?
First of all, I was playing pool. I work here.
Okay, are you working tonight or just you work right now?
No, my mom just left. We're just hanging out playing pool. And some stupid came up about her and somebody else, and I was actually trying to defuse the situation, and boom, I get hit. So I swung back.
So how did it's just a little unclear. Was Kelsey talking shit about someone, or
Yes.
who was she talking shit about?
You know what? I couldn't even tell you. That's what sucks. I couldn't even tell you who she was talking about. But I work here, and we don't.
So you just tried to go calm her down, and she clocked you? Okay. She clocked her pretty good.
No, do you look at
She hit her pretty good?
She's bleeding.
no, look at the
She
video.
wants-
Look at the video.
She wants what?
Look at the video. Look at the video.
Don't get loud with me.
Oh, shut up. I know this motherfucker. Look at the video.
Okay, don't get loud with me.
Yeah, well, I'll be loud because you're faking.
What do you mean?
Kelsey, stop.
Tell this little punk. Because you have the authority.
What do you do?
I never hit her.
He's with.
Don't. Well, yeah, because he knows he cares about me. He knows. He knows I didn't hit her. So don't go on me, dude.
You need to calm down.
Well, don't talk to me. That's my best
You need to calm
friend.
down. I just came out here saying
That is my best friend.
Okay, hey, Kelsey. Hey, Kelsey. Come over here.
I got basically beat down kicked in the ground.
Kelsey.
Leave my arms.
I know,
I'm fucking abused.
Hey, Kelsey. I didn't come
You
out.
don't even know.
Yeah, I do know you actually.
No, but you don't know what happened.
Okay, I know I'm not. I didn't come out here. Did I come out here saying, "Hey, arrest her
Yeah,
now"?
but you're like, oh, da da da.
Okay,
You have
I'm
no
just saying
idea.
what hey, Kelsey, talk to me like I'm a normal person, okay? Kelsey, can we talk like we're normal people?
I didn't do anything.
Okay,
I didn't
okay.
hit anybody. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
Did I?
I was in the bathroom.
Did I?
I don't know
didn't
yet,
do
Kelsey.
anything.
I'm trying to get a story straight, but
Please, that's why I'm going out like in public.
I can't get a story straight when you're screaming at me and in my face, okay?
Oh my God! Ain't nobody screaming at you. It's because you're like trying to manhandle me.
I'm not trying to
That's when I see.
If I was trying to manhandle you, it wouldn't have been a problem. You need to talk to me like I'm a human being.
Yeah, same with you, and that's why
I did. I'm coming out here trying to get a story, Kelsey. I didn't come out here. I didn't come out here and just start.
I know my dude in there is my friend.
Okay.
And the officer, I didn't touch anybody.
Okay, I'm trying to get a story
Why am I gonna
straight.
get arrested?
I didn't. Did it? Who said you were getting? Who said you were getting arrested? No one.
I didn't arrested for some stupid shit.
Put your shirt on, girl.
I didn't do nothing.
Did anyone say you were getting arrested right now?
Fuck up.
Did anyone get arrested?
What's going on? Really? Yes, I'm gonna say it.
Why? Why
You
can't
already had your judgment about me.
I know I haven't, Kelsey.
You're like, well, you did this and this. No, I didn't.
Listen.
All right, she wants you arrested.
So wait.
For punching her, okay?
Who punched
Hey, put
anybody?
your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
Kelsey.
I'm getting arrested
Kelsey.
for no
Grab
reason. I'm getting arrested for no reason.
Don't make this-
I'm not. Oh, I'm getting arrested for no reason.
She's bleeding from her head.
Who is? The girl that was
Kelsey,
fighting everybody?
stop moving.
I'm not moving. You're pinching my arm. I didn't do anything. She was fighting everybody. I'm gonna go with you guys, and I'm getting arrested when a girl is okay fighting everybody. I've been good all day. Like, get them.
Do it.
I'll walk back.
I'm not leaving her with. Are you sure?
You can take her. No, take her to the PD and.
No. I called my dad too.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Because
Yeah.
my dad's gonna whoop some real quick. Your dad.
You should drive.
Okay, they've made it this far. Seems like they'll be able to book her pretty easy, right? Well, Let's just say she's about to go feral.
Yeah, okay, you piece of you're a piece of get off
All right, we're going.
Get him up!
We're going. Now. Well, guess what? Now you got an egg back.
What's your name? Grab my hair again! My name's off this. Grab my hair! Grab off my hair! Grab my hair!
Go.
Kelsey, chill out. Nobody's grabbing your hair. Relax. This could go a lot smoother. She tried to
No, shut the f*** you piece of shit. That's what you're on. Get up, no! Get up! No, stop pulling my arms up! Oh! No, call!
Go.
No!
Go.
I'm turning away, no! Put a cap
Okay.
on! Put a cap on! Right now!
Go.
He's pushing my arm! No! Get the off my head! Get off my head! My dad will kill you! He's crazy!
No.
Tony, Tony, we'll just come out.
I'm not.
We'll just come out your way.
Pulling.
We'll just come out your way.
I'm not pulling, but he keeps grabbing my arm. You really? Please, get off me! You get off me!
Kelsey.
Quit, no!
Get in the car now.
Get off me!
Kelsey, get in the car.
Get the off me! Get off me!
Kelsey.
Why is he shoving me?
Because you're freaking kicking him. That's why.
My arms
Straight.
are really
Hey, Kelsey, sit up.
My devil!
Sit up.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm good.
At bat?
Yeah, I want it.
She went for your best. I don't even know if you saw that. She tried to bite
I
you.
didn't.
I did. That's why I grabbed her.
No, we're doing ag bat.
For kicking you now?
Yeah.
He's grabbing my hair! He's grabbing my hair! He's grabbing my hair!
Nobody's grabbing your hair. Chill out. Kelsey, chill out. Nobody's grabbing your hair. Relax. This could go a lot smoother.
She tried.
No, shut the That's why you're out. Get up, no! Get a comment! No, they're pulling my arms up! Oh! No, call!
Kelsey, here's the deal. We're gonna get you out. We're gonna walk you into the jail. Okay? I'm asking. You're being.
He's drunk and driving.
Here's what I'm telling
I'm
you.
going to jail.
You're being escorted into the jail.
And then we're gonna fight
And
this.
here's you can do that. You can do that all you want. But what I'm doing is asking. I'm suggesting that you go with the program.
Open the door.
This goes a lot smoother if you go with the program.
Open the door.
You want me to pull your shirt down for you?
Please.
Okay.
I'm so sad.
There you go.
Okay, no. Please, help me.
Yep.
Please look at the cigarette. Before we go in, please.
We'll talk about this.
Okay, no!
Relax.
Yeah, but it's okay for you to raise people, you freak.
You want to go around?
Yeah.
I'm getting arrested for nothing. And now I'm getting arrested.
Step out to the side.
Now listen to this. I'm getting arrested.
Okay.
You have no idea why I'm getting arrested. Can you pull my shirt up, please?
Down?
Or down and my pants up, please? Yep. That's all we want.
Then you're gonna cooperate a little bit.
I've been cooperating. Maybe you should make your officers cooperate. He did nothing but try to. The one that just arrested us? Yeah. Wait. I did nothing wrong.
Oh,
Really?
it's right here.
Okay, I'm gonna listen to you. I swear.
I need you to pay attention to her right now.
I will.
That's the only person you need to listen to.
I will. I just went to jail for a domestic. I know what that's about.
Jeez, are they actually trying to have a conversation with her? It's like talking to a wall.
This isn't domestic, Kelsey. This is
I
battery.
didn't do
Battery
anything.
for swinging it and hitting that girl in the bar.
I never did anything. She said that. She goes, oh, it wasn't her. She even said that. I didn't do that.
Okay. Well, that's what you're being charged with.
I understand that, but like,
And
she
then-
even came on here and I didn't
And
do
then you're trying
that.
to bite us and kick it. You
Oh
were kicking
my
him.
God. Really? When he's like grabbing me and shoving me down?
He's trying to get you in the car.
I was going into the car.
No, you weren't,
You
Kelsey.
don't understand that. Shut
So
the
that's ad bad.
Oh, whatever you want to say. I'm not trying to fight with
So, battery. She tried to bite you?
Yeah, and then she was kicking me when I put her in the car. She did.
Well, I know, I saw that.
Yeah, when me and Mark, when you let me in there, and I went in because she wasn't going out with Mark. I grabbed her by the arm, and she went over and tried to bite me.
Okay. Okay, she tried to bite you.
Yeah, she
didn't bite you.
She tried to.
Okay, so she tried to bite you. So it got stupid in there. And then trying to get her in the car. She was kicking you.
My mom has a
Kicking you
now. You don't
thigh area,
understand.
I'm assuming.
Midsection.
You don't
Midsection.
understand how I feel.
Okay, we
so
can
don't
go act
talk
back.
to me like
Okay.
you do.
What do you feel about resisting?
It's my
Yeah.
baby.
We'll work that out with PD. She ain't going nowhere.
My baby. My baby. Do whatever you want to do.
I'll ask him.
Yeah, we'll
I
straighten it out
love
later.
I love my child.
Just because we're not.
Don't make me seem like.
Why are you so mad at us? We didn't bring you here.
No, I know. I
Just listen to her.
Can you please wipe my face out of, or my hair on my face,
Yes.
please? Can you please? I don't wanna fight. I just wanna talk about it.
Kelsey.
Just shut up. You don't even give a. You care about yourself. You're
Trying
strong.
Trying to.
I care about my kid. And you don't give a. You care about your own, like how you look like in town. You're a fake motherfucker. My dad will kill you. Get the fuck out of here.
What else are you on? You do some coke tonight too?
Drug test me. I can piss. I'm sober.
Hey, you gotta sit down.
All I have is.
You gotta sit down.
Don't talk to me and don't touch
Hey,
me.
you gotta sit down.
Don't touch me.
Sit down.
Don't touch me.
Sit down.
Why is he touching me? Why is he touching me?
Just have a seat.
Because
So
you.
my dad can touch you and beat your down real quick.
They're out of there, Kim.
Alright.
He needs to not touch me. He needs to
Okay,
not
then
feel
just stay
comfortable.
seated. Nobody's gonna touch you.
Okay, well he needs to not feel comfortable when he's doing drugs as well.
Just stay sitting down. Nobody's gonna touch
I
you.
want my dad. Go my dad. Please.
How's nights?
Pretty good. No,
Can I like not have handcuffs on?
Not at this moment, no.
Okay, well for like 2 seconds.
No, I'm sorry. What do you need?
I don't know.
If you want me to wipe your tears or help you blow your nose, I can do that.
You like call my mom.
Not at this moment.
Well, call my mom on the phone and call my dad right now. Cause I'm gonna tell him what's going on. Cause I'm not getting arrested for no damn reason. So you're gonna see what's happening. Call my mom.
Go ahead.
Call my dad and my mom. Let her know what's going on with her daughter.
Okay, listen, this is what
No, no,
No, listen to me.
You don't even know what.
Listen to me. In order to get a phone call, you would get a phone call if you answer my questions. You understand? And you could get your phone call, you could let people know you're here. All you have to do is answer my questions. You understand? Then you get a phone call. Calm down, answer my questions, you get a phone call.
No, I did nothing wrong. Yes, I did react, or maybe some way, a different way, but ain't no man seemed to grab me the way you did. So call my mom and call my dad,
We
and
can't
see what's
call.
gonna happen.
We can't call you.
They're gonna react the way they're gonna react because they don't around.
Okay, well,
Okay, so I'm getting in trouble for nothing.
battery against the female.
Yep. And then you have aggravated battery on a police
No,
officer.
it's not. Do you have the video?
Yes, we do. We have the video of you trying
Okay,
to.
show it. And do you have the
Okay,
video of
we do,
you
yep,
aggravating me?
Nope.
Please.
It's all on video.
Exactly, and that's how that's gonna roll out.
Alright, so it's pointless to try to talk to her.
Lawyer in
Okay,
this county.
You'll have your time.
Like
You'll have your
I
time in
guarantee.
court.
Yeah, you will too.
Okay.
And guess who's gonna lose their job? All y'all. Well, can you get off?
Oh, don't be pulling on her.
Quit grabbing me. Hey,
We're gonna
he's
walk.
shoving and she's grabbing my arm.
We're gonna walk to the end.
She's grabbing my arm. Get off me. He's grabbing my arm. We making sweet grab my arm.
You're making this happen.
I need no.
Stop.
I'm
You
not.
understand? Stop.
Shut your face. I ain't doing nothing.
You heard him?
Hold on to her. Hold on to her.
My hand
You all right?
is shoved over here. It's on my hand. It's on my hand. Make him get off my hand.
You okay?
Yo,
Sure?
Hey, will you make him get
Sure?
off my hand? He even shoved my hand. It's
hand. Oh, dude, listen, no, get
I'm
me
behind
hurt. You show me my hand. My hand is seriously. What? Quit pulling me. Seriously, I'm not. I mean,
Stop! Neil.
Get off me. Don't touch
Stop
me.
resisting. If you kick me, you're gonna get more hurt.
Shut the f***, you figure. I did nothing wrong.
Put your arm in.
Oh, it's going on. Let me call my dad. Get him off me. Why is this man on me? Oh! I called 911. No, you're not. You're not pulling my pants up. I have to. Oh, my God. I'm trying to make you call your dad. You wouldn't do it. I can't call your dad. You have to. Don't pull my pants down. I have to. You can't. It's protocol. We'll call my dad.
I'm sure he'll be called.
I'm sure my dad won't be calling.
Keep it
No! Touch me! I've been really ready tonight!
I don't care.
You just stay down. Do you understand? Quit resisting.
Are you okay, Kim?
If you enjoyed today's body cam, be sure to leave a like and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe as we will post more body cam footage every week.